One day, Bunny got out. He was walking around his house. He saw a lot of flowers. They were beautiful and violet. He was hungry and decided to eat them. He ate a lot of flowers. That's why Bunny got to the hospital. It started to rain. The rain at that moment was heavy. Bunny saw a doctor. The doctor asked him, "What's wrong?" I ate a lot of flowers and my stomach hurts. I'm worried about me. I look like Piglet. I feel fat when I look myself. Maybe. You eat the flowers. Don't eat them anymore. You should eat the carrots. Remember, Bunny, vitamin A is in such food as apples, cabbage, a watermelon, pumpkin, carrot, peppers, cheese, milk, and egg, fish, meat. If you eat the carrot, you will strong and healthy. Healthy and wealthy too. So Bunny got well, and soon he came home. The next day, Bunny planted 10 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's already been 2 months since that. Autumn had come. The carrots had already grown big, very big. Bunny was happy. It was harvest time. I want to taste this little one. Yum yum. Vitamin A. I've never been worried. The days were shorter. It was winter time. Bunny woke up early and started preparing for New Year. He went to look for a green tree. I found, cried Bunny. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shine, Christmas tree! Then Bunny made a lot of carrot food. Carrot juice, carrot pie, carrot pizza, carrot salad, carrot cake. In the evening, Bunny invited his friends. They met New 2024 year.